Oh, look at you eat your chicken leg. You like chicken leg? Don't you give me side eye. You're missing a little bit. It's hanging out the corner of your mouth. Ugh. Yeah, I'd gag too if I was eating rotten bird. It's freaking raw. Don't glare at me like that. You good girl? Oh, look at them chompers. Look at them chompers. Are you gonna swallow that whole? Gag reflex. Yes. That's what I feel like whenever I pick a tick off of you. There you go. Get it, baby. Get it. You're going kind of slow. Don't eyeball me. Oh no, here comes car. Stranger danger. Oh, looking for eagles. No eagles. Oh, where's the eagles? No eagles. Good job, Wave. Oh, there she goes. Damn death chickens. After her food. Just got her a possum down there. Crazy death chickens keep trying to take it from her. That's why she wasn't so hungry for her chicken leg.